Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Yes guys, so this Salton compact deep fryer, all right, yeah, and it's like this guys. It's the smallest deep fryer I ever seen, okay? And it's like that, perfect for french fries, onion rings, chicken, fish, tempura, donut, and more. And it's 1 quart, okay? Adjustable temperature control, heating and ready indicator right there. All right. And when I bought it at Home Hardware, and it's I get 1 year in-store warranty. I think the company give you 2 years warranty guaranteed. And it comes with, I think it comes with the manual, you know, and instruction book. Look there guys. But guys, I don't really deep fry my stuff, okay? But for the kids, yes I will. And I realized that if I don't use it, why I need to buy a big one. So this is the cover. And this part guys, you can take it out and you can change this one, okay? Or you can wash it. So that's that, the filter. And it comes with the card, and this is the handle to hold it up, and the strainer inside, our mesh. And this is it guys. Oops, can you see how small it is? But what I like about this one guys, it is deep. So some of them are more long this way, but this one is deep. So if you want, you don't have to put the strainer in it. You can just put the oil. Like when I'm gonna do my fish, you just want to put the oil to where they said, and you just go ahead and make it hot. Yeah. So let me take it out. I'm using my hand here. Woo. So look at it guys, I am loving it. Oh, didn't I tell you the price? This how much was it? It was like $40 something plus tax, but I got it on sale for $37 plus tax. So I saved like maybe $10 or less, or maybe $5. I don't know. I saved something on it guys. I don't know how much, but anyhow, this is it. Come with the gauge, and it tells you when it's ready and when it's heating. To put it through here, I think. Put it through here, and then I put it in here. You make your fries, whatever, and you put it down. You can cover it like this, guys. There. Woohoo! I did it. I did it my way. If you want, you can set it like this. It doesn't matter which way you want to set it, guys. It's just round, okay? It holds anyway. This is just a quick haul or thrift store find, all right? And I went to Value Village, okay? So guys, I got some awesome pieces. I washed this out, so I took the tag off. All right, so we're gonna start off with this one first. This is a blender. It's really new, guys. Look there, no use yet. $7.99. I bought one already. My fine, $7.99, maybe $8.50 with tax. And we're gonna do this one. This one, guys, although I may have it up here, so I'm gonna go clean it up. $3.99, and it's a what do you call it? You can put it on the floor. It's a vase, or what you want to call it. And guys, you know, so I'm gonna leave it like this, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray it in silver. It was really a good find. I'm just gonna clean it up and spray it down. It's really good size. All right, so this was a good find from the thrift store. And what I really want to show you guys, I put some vinegar in this, and I wash it up with some soap and water, and then I boil it. All right. But guys, I took off the paper off it, the price. It was $5.99 plus tax, okay? And I'm gonna show you. This is my favorite piece, my favorite find so far. Look at it, guys. Oh, and it's just like that. You plug it in and you sit it down. just like that. All right, it holds up to 1.7 liter max, and you can't really open it from here, guys. You have to actually squeeze this and it will fly up, snap down. All right, and why I love this one, guys, I'm gonna show you. This one is LED and it has this blue light. Oh my god, guys, I'm gonna drink hot water all year round. I'm gonna make hot tea, hot ginger tea, lemon and ginger tea, lemon and lime. Oh my god, fever grass, peppermint, you name it. I'm gonna make some tea, you see, guys. But anyhow, let's get into it. Look how I'm gonna turn it on and look what you're gonna see. Oh my goodness, I never owned one like this, guys. The next one I had, let me show you. This is the one I have before. Okay, this is the one I have, the plug in, the push in at the side. It's really good still, but oh, come on now, guys. This will make you just want to go boil a kettle of water. Okay, all right, look at that, guys. I just want to boil water all night. When that finished, boil some more. Look at the goodness, guys. Look at that. And you know, once it come to a good boil, then it will stop. So this is the main thing I want to show you. It's really a good find, and it's only $5.99, guys. All right, guys, this is it. Look how good it is. I love it. I'm gonna boil lots of hot water, belch the gas, and that's it, guys. It changes when it's boiled. Then you know it's ready to serve. I'm gonna make me a cup of tea now. Have a good night. Bye, guys. I also want to show you this piece I picked up from the thrift store. Guys, it was way dirty, but I wash the inside, and this is the sole. I wash it also. It's Adidas, it's smart wear, and oh my god, look at that, guys, brand new again. And I'm gonna use this for my work shoes. All right, guys, just a little bit. I have to show you. I couldn't do without not showing you.